Okay, here we go. 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. So to celebrate hitting 10,000 subscribers, I picked up the RLAARLO AM-X12 112 scale buggy. I picked up the red and blue. I got 2 of them. One's for me and one's for one lucky subscriber that can win it in the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So first thing I want to do is I want to get it out of the box, check out everything that comes with it, and then we're going to take it out for a rip. Oh, check it out. I already like it. Now, we've seen these on YouTube already. I'm a little late to the AM-X12 party, but I was holding off on getting one of these because I wanted to get it for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So pretty cool. You get a carrying case. Ready? Look at that. Oh, we get quite a bit in here in this pack. The accessory kit, wow, it comes with a lot of stuff. So here we have the instruction manual. You also get this optional front bumper. We have spare suspension arms, hinge pins, comes with droop screws, extra hexes for the wheels, extra wheel nuts, cross wrench, extra body pins, some Allen wrenches, pinion gear, an extra shock tower. You just get so much stuff with this. There's the controller. Looks like it takes 4 AA's. Now to the car. Here we have the wing. Take these body clips off. It does come with a 7.4 volt, 2800 milliamp hour 2-cell LiPo. So it does come with a 2847 3200 kV brushless motor, 45 amp ESC that's 3S capable with a cooling fan, a 3.5 kilogram 3-wire servo, and then here is the receiver. But it comes with oil shocks and they feel pretty good. So because it's 3S capable, they claim you can get 80 to 100 kilometers per hour on 3S. So you know we're gonna do a speed run and we're gonna try our best to get to that 100. Pinion that's on it is a 27 tooth pinion. That's what comes on it. And then they give you this one right here, which is a 17 tooth pinion. So for your top speed runs, you're gonna wanna run the 27 tooth pinion. You'll have a slower start, but you'll have an overall higher top speed. But I don't want to bore you with the technical stuff. So I'm going to put this together, put the wing on, charge the battery up, and we're going for a speed run. All right, it's speed run time. I have the GPS right there. All right, let's go into the Sky RC. We'll let that set up a while, but we're gonna do a run on 2S. Now the 27 tooth pinion gear is in. I'm not gonna do any speed runs with the 17 tooth. We know it's gonna be slower. So looks like we are ready. Let's start it. Oh, it's pretty quick on 2S. Do another run up this way. Full throttle. Okay, let's bring it over here, see what we got on 2S. So we got 43 miles per hour out of 2S. So that's pretty good. Well, let's change the units. We'll do kilometers here. Let's do another pass up and then we'll do one more down. $68. Hey, not bad. Now let's put this 3S in, see what we can get. I'm thinking we're gonna hit that 80 that they claim. All right, we are ready to rock and roll with this. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. There we go. Okay, that was a good full speed run there. Oh no. Oh, I took it into grass. Okay. Inspect for damage. No damage. Okay, so I reset the GPS because of it rolling. Sometimes that might affect the GPS. So hopefully we can get a good clean speed pass. Oh! Oh. So what happened was I got off here into the grass. I hit this, launched it, and then it just cartwheeled the rest of the way. So we may have damage, we may not. Oh, yeah, we took some damage. We didn't take any damage, but we did have the steering links pop off there. Should be an easy fix. I think we're good to go. Oh! Oh, that was a good run. That was a good run there. Let's see what we got here. We got 56 miles per hour. Oh, that's a good one. Another good run. We're gonna bring it back. We're gonna see what we got there. All right, let's stop that. 89, we got 89 kilometers per hour. Now we're gonna switch gears. No pun intended, but we're gonna switch gears, put the 17 tooth in, take it to the bike track, and have a little fun with it. Let's see what this has on the track here. We're gonna run around the bike track. Got some pretty big jumps. We'll see how good it does. I put it on the 17 tooth and I'm gonna run the 2S because that's the battery that comes with it. So I wanna kind of show what it's capable of with the battery that comes with it. Oh, you can definitely tell the 17 tooth in has a lot of acceleration, even with the 2S. Oh, I don't know. Should I launch it? Oh, I'm kind of scared. I don't want to break it already. I just got here. Maybe I'll take it off these a little later. Oh! Okay, here we go. Big send. Oh man. There's no way it survived that. Do we have turn? Oh, we still have steering. Battery popped out again. I wish I had a camera on this side so I could see how it landed, but it doesn't look like there's anything broken or anything like that. So the RLAARLO AM-X12 is a really cool buggy. I enjoyed it. It took quite a beating at the track there. As you can see, it is dirty. It's beat up. The body's all scratched. Now I don't pull the film off right away. There is a protective film on this that you can peel off. I never pull that off first thing, so that way I can, you know, get a little bit more life out of the body. I'll probably peel this wrap now, and then the body will look brand new again. Have a little bit of rash on the bottom there. It handled a few hard hits, and I don't see anything cracked or busted on it. I think for $200, you get what you pay for, and maybe a little more. Now it's time to talk about the giveaway. So unfortunately, I have to limit it to US subscribers only, but if you would like to enter, it's really simple. All you have to do is comment down below, and then your comment is your entry, and then I'll do a random comment picker where we pick the winner. So the rules and the giveaway info is down in the description. Check that out before you comment. If you comment on this video, that means you already know about the rules and all the info about the giveaway. So good luck to everybody who entered. Thanks for checking out this video of this awesome RLAARLO AM-X12. Saturday, May 27th is when I'm gonna do my live drawing where we pick the winner. So join me on that live drawing. And I can't wait to see who wins this ready to run RC.